Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center. I think that everyone well. I will discuss about marketing today. Please follow and listen. What is marketing? Marketing is a good way that we can buy and sell our products by online or offline method. Understand everyone what is marketing? Marketing is a good way that we can buy and sell our products by online or offline method. Types of marketing. Marketing. How many kinds of marketing? Types of marketing. Content number 1, content marketing. Search engine optimization marketing. Number 3, email marketing. Number 4, pay per click marketing. Number 5, social media marketing. Understand? Number 1, content marketing. Number 2, search engine optimization marketing. Number 3, email marketing. Number 4, pay per click marketing. Number 5, social media marketing. Understand everyone? Next, functions of marketing. Marketing, what is function of marketing? Buy and sell products by content or by internet. Main functions of marketing: buy and sell products by content by internet. Buy and sell products by SEO by internet. Buy and sell products by PPP, pay per click method by internet. Search engine optimization, content. Buy and sell products by email by internet. Buy and sell products by social media by internet. We can sell product by content by internet. We can sell by product and sell products by SEO, search engine optimization. When a client buy a product by search engine optimization is called search engine optimization marketing. When a client buy a product or sell a product by content is called content marketing. When a client buy or sell products by pay per click is called pay per click marketing. When a client buy a product or sell products by email by internet is called email marketing. Buy and sell products by Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram and so on is called social media marketing. Okay, and also offline method we can sell our product and buy our byproduct. Next, Scientist Engineer Mohammad Abul Fazal, founder, CEO, researcher and computer scientist of Pabnasoft, member of IB and BCS, contact number, email address, website. My YouTube channel name Scientist Engineer Mohammad Abul Fazal and my company channel name Pabnasoft. Please like and subscribe my channel for getting free videos. 100% free 100% free videos for poor and married students. 100% free videos for poor and married students. Welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center. Thank you very much everyone.